Outbreak of revolution. Okay, that was a topic in the previous class, and I told you a few points related to the outbreak of revolution, the French Revolution. There was a meeting, or there was an estate general. Why did the king call that estate general? Why did the king called for a meeting?
So that he can increase the taxes.
Yeah, so that he can increase the taxes. Everyone switch on your videos fast. I want to see you all. Okay, so king, he wants to increase the taxes, but what happened in between? As he called for the meeting, did they, whether he was able to pass the increase in tax, that law he could pass, or what? Nandana, was he able to pass the increase in law? I mean, sorry, taxes? Yes or no? I can't hear.
No.
No, it was not possible for him to increase the taxes. There was a reason for that. What happened in the estate general, or what incident that took place in the estate general? Lakshmi, can you tell?
Yes, ma'am. The third estate people asked that every people here should have vote.
Vote? Yeah. So did the king accept that? No, king did not accept that. So what happened? Lynette, can you tell? Lynette. Lynette, on your video. Surya, Hira, Hritvik, Alan, Anashwara, Henen, on your video. Alvin, Ehsan, on your video. Yes. Anashwara, on your video. Okay, Lakshmi, can you tell? Lakshmi Nanda, can you tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What happened in that with the third estate? What did they do?
When King Louis declined the rule, the third estate left the
Yeah, they walked away from the
meeting.
And after that, what happened, Abhiram? After that, what happened? Third estate, they walked away from the estate general. And after that, what did they do? Abhiram. We can't hear anything. Unmute, then talk.
Mama, I don't know.
You don't know? You were there in the class, right?
Yes.
Then listen. Listen to what others are telling now. Advait, Sinoop, do you know what happened? Advait. Advait, unmute and tell. Advait has some problem or what to talk? Can you tell the answer? Okay, Hira, can you tell?
Ma'am, then they formed an group.
What did they form? National Assembly. Okay, why
National
did they form
Assembly.
that? What is the reason? Yeah.
To make their own
To frame constitution. Okay, so they framed they were busy in framing constitution. Then I told that what happened with the common people. Common people were very much angry. They were violent. They were not getting bread, or they were not getting the food grains. And they heard that these noble people, they are bringing some brigands to attack these village people. So they became very violent. They started attacking the chateaus. Chateaus are the places where the nobles are living. It's like a castle. Okay. So when they started attacking these, what they did, they started attacking these nobles or chateaus. They went into that particular area. And what they did, they destroyed everything. Many of these hoarded food grains were there. Food grains were hoarded in the area that was taken by the villagers. Many documents were there, property documents, tax documents, everything was taken and burned by the people. And these nobles, what they did, they ran away from the castle. They ran to their migrating villages and all like that. Next one you can see. So after that, King Louis felt that there was a lot of problem in the country. He should accept now the National Assembly. So what he did, he accepted the National Assembly or the Constitution. And the Constitution, you can see that they are they are reducing the power of the monarch. They are reducing the power of the monarch in the sense they are not giving much power to the monarch. Whatever is decision is taken, or they are limiting the power of monarch, whatever, or controlling the power of the monarch. Whatever decisions are taken, it will be discussed with the monarch and they will be passing it. It's not that king alone will take the decision and pass according to his wish. That power was taken away from him.
Man is born free, yet everywhere he is in chains now.
No. Before that. Changes. They are producing one decree. Decree in the sense you can see that it is related to official order. Okay, official order in the sense. Yeah, this is done actually. Yeah, official order in the sense a decree. The term you can see they passed an official decree. Decree in the sense it is an official order, or you can say that it is something related to a law. Something is coming into effect. Okay, and it should be accepted by everyone. So first thing you can see, I told that the powers of monarch, that was controlled. Okay, he cannot take any decision by his own. Now he has to see the constitution, what is there in that, according to that he should behave, or he is becoming a constitutional monarchy. Constitutional monarchy in the sense the monarch should act according to the constitution. Okay, now what all things they have introduced here? The first one, that is the feudal system of taxes and obligation, that was abolished. What do you mean by abolished here? Abolished means what? Stopped or removed. Okay, so they are abolishing whatever taxes was collected by the feudal lords or nobles, and there were some obligations. The obligation was like that the labor should go and work for the noble, or the laborers, whatever they are producing, the first product that should be gifted to the nobles. That kind of some obligation was there, that was abolished. That is the first thing. Second one, clergy. Clergy were forced to give up their privileges. Who is clergy now? Who comes in clergy?
They are the people who did special functions.
Especially priestly class or powers and functions with the church here. Okay, so what they did, they told that clergy cannot have all their privileges. They cannot collect taxes. So as a part of that, the tithe, this was abolished. What is tithe here? You know, it's a kind of tax. Okay, and some lands were owned by the church that were confiscated. What do you mean by confiscated here? What is confiscated? Huh? That was taken away from the church. It was compulsorily or forcefully it was taken from the church. Now, as a result, what happened? Government is getting a lot of asset here. You see how much worth it is given? 2 billion livre worth they are getting assets from the people. Okay, so this is what the result of passing of a decree. powers of monarch is reduced, then abolished feudal system of obligations and taxes, then clergy, they gave up their privileges, and tithe it was abolished, and a lot of land were confiscated from the church. This gave a lot of assets to the government. The assets value they have given somewhat 2 billion livre. So these were the changes what happened after the passing of official decree, or these are the result of passing of that particular decree. Now few more results are there that I will tell you. Now next one, France, I told that it is becoming a constitutional monarchy. Okay, they finished completing the constitution by 1791. Okay, so by 1791 they drafted the constitution, or they made the constitution. Now as a part of that constitution, they have some features. In the new constitution, what all features we have? The first feature what they have given, it limited the power of monarch. Limited the power of monarch means what now? What do you mean by limited the power of monarch?
Reduce the power.
Reduced, or we can say that it controlled the power of monarch. That is what you mean by limited the power. Okay, so here you can see that they are now the power of monarch is controlled here. Now another one thing, separation of powers. Separation of powers in the sense they never had a organs of government. They were not having legislature, executive, judiciary. Everything was with whom? All these power was with whom? With the king, with the monarch. Okay, even framing of law, passing of law, doing justice, everything was with the monarch. So what they felt that, what people of France felt that, or what National Assembly felt that there should be separation of powers between what? Legislature, executive, judiciary. People will frame the law. This is what? Executive, king will pass the law. There should be a separate organ. It should consist of judiciary, which gives justice to the people. So like this, you can see some changes were introduced, especially related to the passing organs of government. Okay, so France is becoming a constitutional monarchy here. Now you can see that now National Assembly, they had the power to make laws. Okay, so there are some elected members in National Assembly. Now elected members, they will sit there and they frame the laws, or they are the ones who frame the constitution. Now here you can see a special feature that not every person will not have the right to vote. You know that in democracy, how is it related to voting? Who all has the power to vote?
People above the age of 18.
Yeah, all the people, those who are above the age of 18, they have the power to vote. But here in France, that time, the situation was different. They have given a criteria. There is a qualification to become a voter or to have the right to vote. What is that they have given? You can see there is an age limit. You can see on the board. What is the age limit they have given here? 25 years of age. So only those who are 25 years of age or above, they have the right to vote. That is first one. Another one, it is not only that you should be above 25 years, you should have one more criteria, that is those who paid taxes. Those who paid taxes during that time, they only had the right to vote. And the tax amount also they have given, it should be at least 3 days of a laborer's wage. Okay, that means they should pay 3 days of a laborer's wage as a tax. Those people only can vote. Okay, they are called as active citizens. Okay, so some group of people are there active citizens, some group of people are there passive citizens. Now active citizens means what? Henan, what do you mean by active citizen? Who are considered as active citizen? We can't hear you. Advait Murali, can you tell? Advait. It is there given on the screen. You can tell who are considered as active citizen. Who are considered as active citizen? No, I feel that you people are just keeping it on and keeping it off like that. You are playing or what? Pooja, can you tell?
Ma'am,
Yes.
only men about 25 years of age who are paying the taxes is and 3 days of labor wage.
Wait. They are called as active citizen, and active citizens only had the right to vote. Okay, so there were a group of people, passive citizens. Who are those people, Ellen? What do you mean by passive citizen? Active citizens means those who had the right to vote. So passive citizens means what?
Those who don't pay taxes.
Yes, those who don't pay taxes and those who don't have the right to vote. Those people we call them as passive citizen. So during those days also there was a distinction. This shows what? This shows what? Poor people can they can put use vote? Or rich people has this power? What do you feel? Yeah, poor people, those who cannot pay any tax, they are not getting this particular right, or that tax also in the sense 3 days of a laborer's wage. That shows that it is a high amount. Okay, so here also during that time also everyone, they didn't have the right to vote. Okay, or everyone, they are not having the right to vote, even though it is becoming they are framing a constitution, they are talking about equal rights, they are talking about freedom of life and all these things they are talking, but still they are not, the people are not having the right to vote on the basis of equality. It is based on the tax payment, or it is based on the money how much they pay to the government. Okay, so the those who are having the right to vote, they belong to highest taxpayers, or they are the ones who pay high taxes. Those people only will be having the right to vote here. Okay, now next one, constitution is declaring some rights to the people. These are the rights. Everyone, they have the right to live. They have the right to life. They can live properly. There is freedom of speech, freedom of opinion, equality before law. Nobody is considered as different in the eyes of law. So these kind of rights are given to the people of France after the framing the constitution. Okay, that means when the France became constitutional monarchy, they gave some rights to the people. What are those rights here? Right to life, freedom of speech, freedom of opinion, equality before law. Okay, so these are the important things related to that, you can see, and I'll show that video now. Just 1 minute. Yes.
And the special privileges that were enjoyed by the clergy and nobles by birth. In doing this, over 2 million laborers.
Yours 9:40, it gets over, right? Okay, Adikesh,
Present, ma'am.
Abhiram,
Present, ma'am.
Adlio,
Present, ma'am.
Advait Murali, I saw him before, I feel. Advait, Sinoop,
Present, ma'am.
Ehsan,
Present, ma'am.
Albert,
Present, ma'am.
Ellen,
Present, ma'am.
Alvin, fast. Someone please check whether he is present or not. I felt I saw him. Amaljit,
Present, ma'am.
Amin,
Present, ma'am.
Ananthita,
Present, ma'am.
Anashwara,
Present, ma'am.
Anjana, just check whether she is present. Absent or present?
Absent.
Absent. Okay, Benedict, just check. I didn't see him. Please check that name list, participant list, whether present or not. Absent, right? Someone please check. Okay, Fadil. Fadil. I saw him in the beginning. Where is he? Fadil. Hira.
Present, ma'am.
Ritvik.
Present, ma'am.
Iron.
Present, ma'am.
Isha.
Present, ma'am.
Ken.
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi.
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi Nandakumar.
Present, ma'am.
Lynette.
Present, ma'am.
Nadine.
Present, ma'am.
Nandana.
Present, ma'am.
Nandana. Navneet. Navneet never comes to class or what? No, before also when I saw his name, everywhere it is absent. Nikila? Present or absent? Please check. Absent.
Present.
Present. Okay. Nivetya?
Present, ma'am.
Pooja?
Present.
Navneet is absent. Okay, Pooja present. Shridev?
Present, ma'am.
Surya Dev?
Present.
Tamanna? Present or not? Present. Okay. Tom Jose?
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnavi?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Vaishnavi. Okay. Okay, then bye all. You can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Is it 9:40 or 9:50?
9.
Okay, 9:50. Okay, then little more time we can take that. Oh, again gone. Okay, listen now. I'll just share the screen. 1 minute. Yes.
under the feudal lords.
Ma'am, can you
So,
increase the
The
volume?
recognition of the
No, only this much is there. I can't increase that. You can't hear it properly or what?
Yes, ma'am, it's very low.
Very low. No, it's not possible. I think it's full actually. Okay.
National Assembly by King Louis, and him agreeing to their demands was a victory for the entire Third Estate. With the abolition of special privileges, tithes, and feudal taxes, people were happier.
Legislature, executive, and judiciary. Legislature is a category where the people, I mean, National Assembly will sit and frame the law. Executive is the one who passes the law, that is the king himself, he will pass it. And judiciary was in the hands of other people who gives justice to the people.
King Louis, however, continued to retain the executive powers. Not everyone could vote as per the new constitution.
Yeah, this is what I told. Everyone cannot put vote. They are considered as, some are considered as active citizen, some are considered as passive citizens.
Only men who were older than 25 years and who paid taxes were allowed to vote. This did not go well with people like Jean-Paul Marat, who criticized it vehemently in his paper, stating that the government was represented only by the rich.
So here one criticism they are telling that I told that those who are rich people, they only got the right to vote. So here in the matter of writing of a right to vote, everyone, they were not considered as equal. So that was vehemently criticized. I mean, strongly criticized by Jean-Paul Marat. Now, coming to the topic here, I told you all these important rights, it was given to the people. Okay. Now, in your textbook, page number 11. Okay, there they have given all these things here. Okay, like men are born and remain free, equal in rights. The aim of all the association, what is their main aim? All the rights should be given to the people. There should be liberty. It should be property, security, and if anyone is oppressing them, people have the right to resist. If anybody is suppressing them, people have the right to resist them. Okay. Now here, no one can no one person can have the supreme authority, because if it is not coming from the people, if it is not coming from the people in the sense, if the people are not electing someone to be the ruler, no one can have the particular authority. Then liberty, you can see that it should not be injurious for others. Okay, we are all free, we have got freedom, and we are enjoying our freedom, and we take the freedom as we have got the freedom grant, or we have taken it for granted like that. Okay, but what do you think regarding the old medieval time and all? In France, they had to fight for the freedom. Okay, or they were people, many were killed in the freedom fighting, or in India's case also, if you see, many were killed in the fighting. So in mainly to get the freedom. Nowadays we have the freedom, but we don't think about the freedom of others. We feel that others, I have freedom, let others, whether they have freedom or they enjoy freedom, we are not bothered. That is why sometimes you might have seen that whatever we have a feeling, or some news you might have heard, that I have freedom, I wanted to live the way which I like. If someone is not hearing that what I am telling, I will hurt them, or I will kill them. These kind of mentality you might have seen among the people nowadays. Okay, we feel that we are enjoying the freedom the same way they are also enjoying freedom. What we tell, it's not necessary that they will follow that. So that kind of freedom, what we enjoy now, it should not hurt others. That is a one main point what they are telling according with this particular topic, that freedom we have, we can enjoy that freedom, but when we are enjoying the freedom, we should not hurt others, we should not create damage for others. That is a one main thing here also they have given. Whatever it is, you can enjoy your freedom, you can enjoy your liberty, but it should not be injurious for others. This we should follow in today's world also. Okay, now another one point what they have given, law, whatever law we have, all citizens are considered as equal before it. Okay, now no one can just be caught by the police people or anyone, and if it is not if it is not decided by the law here. If every person, they can speak, they can write freely, print freely, but it should not hurt others. That is one thing. Now another one, there will be a common tax. It will be collected from the people because it is necessary. Why do we need taxes actually? Anyone? Why we should collect taxes? For running the for running the country, or for doing a lot of things, construction like that, we need to pay some taxes. Okay, so common tax should be there, but it should not be very high so that people cannot pay that taxes. It should not be like that. So for the maintenance of defense, for the maintenance of the country, or doing the administration, there will be a common tax. Now another one thing, property is considered as a right of the people. Property is considered as a right of the people in the sense, people can own any property unless we are not taking forcibly from others. Okay, now if government wants some property of any person, government can pay the compensation, or government can pay the money, then government can get it. So all these things which is given in your textbook, page number 11, few points are given. You please read that. Next class I will be asking about it. Okay, so everyone please read about it and come prepared for that. Everyone, okay? Now, so I'm with this, I'm just finishing the portion. Next class we will discuss more about the things. Okay.